It is time for your CNY Central forecast, and as we look ahead today, we have a cooler day. Well, we knew it was coming, but at least the sun's coming back out, which will be nice. I know we're starting off a little cloudy, but we'll get the sun out. We'll have several hours of sunshine, and I know you're seeing more clouds, but we're actually timing it out pretty well that the majority of the sunshine happens from about mid-morning to mid to late afternoon, and then the clouds come in once the sun goes down. And right around the evening and midnight hour, there's probably going to be some passing precipitation, most of it rain showers. Slightly below normal in the temperature department today and tomorrow. Normal highs in the lower 60s and lows are in the upper 30s to near 40. We are going to start in the mid-30s both today and tomorrow and end in the mid-50s. An uptick in temperatures on tap for the weekend and next week. That means at very bare minimum we're talking mid and upper 60s, and we may stretch to 70. And actually, speaking of stretch, they used to call me back in the day in 6th grade. Maybe not. To get most days in a row with 60s or higher, we're actually going to have that starting Saturday and probably going through at least Wednesday, maybe longer. So early this morning, there's still some cloud coverage around and through here. This will slowly go west to east and out of the way, and we're looking for developing sunshine. It is a cool and crisp type day, especially when you compare it to the lower 70s that we had yesterday. Look for a high around 55. We're going to have some rain showers this evening and tonight as a little weak system passes through. Now, I mentioned there's an opportunity for some snowflakes. The very highest hilltops of south central New York might see some wet snow showers. The Tug Hill probably will see snow showers. The Adirondacks probably will see snow showers as well. Don't be surprised that the very highest elevations get a little coating to an inch out of this thing. Otherwise, Friday is going to be a very similar day to today, starting in the mid-30s with clouds, ending the day in the low to mid-50s with not too much wind, and should have more sunshine. Those cooling temperatures continue. Friday night, not much. Now, there's a little something trying to come at us by Saturday morning. You see this little green blob? It's an area of cloud cover and a dying area of sprinkles and showers. All week long, I've been putting this little bitty chance of precipitation. You'll see that in a second. I just want to show you total sunshine, still a lot despite the cloudy start. We've been throwing this little chance, and I'm keeping it in because as we convert to warmer temperatures, it is possible we may get a little rolling shower or sprinkle in here. Shouldn't ruin the day. And in fact, during the afternoon, we should be in the mid-60s solidly. Sunday should be dry, mixed sun and clouds, and a high of 70 plus. I've kept this very low grade 1 in 3 chance of a scattered shower. What's happening is there's some moisture south and west of our area that'll be close by. Computer models, most of them want to keep this to the south. One of them wants to bring it a little closer. So given that a little respect, we've kept it a 1 in 3 chance of showers. We'll keep you posted on the progression of any of this up or down in terms of the probabilities. And there are the temperatures. You can see the progression of the cooling today and tomorrow to the uptick and trend of temperatures Saturday afternoon and keeping it real in the upper 60s to lower 70s early next week. Local temperatures for you. Most of us fighting into the low to mid 50s. The Northeast, the 50s, the 60s. Nationwide numbers still very warm in the deep south and the desert southwest in the mid 80s. No big storms in the forecast in the short term. I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. We've got more on our website, cnycentral.com.